3 minutes. That is literally all the time it takes to turn your raw live stream footage into high-quality, vertical-ready clips for TikTok or Shorts. If you are already streaming with OBS, you do not need to become a full-time video editor just to get your content out there quickly. I want to walk you through a specific workflow I use that mixes a smart OBS setup with an automated tool called Vizard, taking you from chaos to viral clips in one click. First, let us look at the basics, because you can handle this locally with apps like Atom, or by setting up vertical scenes directly in OBS. I will show you how to keep that local control, but then we are going to look at how Vizard changes the game so you are not stuck manually trimming every single clip. Step 1 is getting your vertical scenes ready, which is actually the easiest part of the entire OBS workflow. If you have existing landscape scenes for gameplay or chatting, just duplicate them into a vertical aspect ratio. In OBS or tools like Atom, you can create a new scene and add your display or game capture, along with your webcam and overlays. I always recommend naming these scenes clearly, like gaming vertical or chatting vertical, so you never get confused while you are live. Here is a pro tip. Link your scenes so that when you switch from your main game to a talking head, the vertical composition flips instantly with you. This saves a massive amount of time, because you are not rearranging sources every single time you change what is on screen. Step 2 is all about capturing the moment, and honestly, the Backtrack memory feature is going to be your best friend. In OBS, just set a local recording length buffer, maybe to 60 seconds, so it continuously caches the last minute of your stream. When something wild or funny happens, you just hit your hotkey and it saves that chunk instantly to your drive. I use an easy-to-reach key like Alt+R, so I can save the highlight without taking my focus off the game. This is where the local OBS setup shines because you get a vertical-ready file instantly, but you still have to scrub, trim, and caption everything. That is exactly where most creators lose hours of their week, so let us move to step 3 and let Vizard do the heavy lifting. Instead of manual editing, just upload those saved files to Vizard or connect it directly to your YouTube channel to pull your archives. Vizard is incredibly smart because it scans the footage to find high engagement moments and auto-generates vertical edits optimized for your socials. It looks for peaks in energy like laughs or big plays and builds a clip that is ready for you to post without any extra effort. What I really love is that you do not have to pick exact timestamps because you just give it the full video and Vizard surfaces multiple great clips. It will even add captions where speech is detected and center the action for that perfect vertical framing that platforms crave. This turns what used to be a 30-minute editing task into a few minutes of simply approving high-quality options. Step 4 is about scheduling and forgetting, using Vizard's content calendar to automate your entire social media presence. You can pick how often you want to post, and the platform will automatically push clips to your socials on a steady schedule. Everything lands in one place so you can preview, reorder, or tweak your captions before they go live across all your accounts. This effectively saves you from juggling 5 different upload flows every single day of the week. To recap the workflow, stream like normal, hit your Backtrack hotkey for an instant file, upload it, let Vizard edit it, and just approve the post. From the moment you clip that wild highlight to the moment it is scheduled, you are only spending a few minutes, not hours. Why use this instead of just manual editing? Because local tools like OBS are great for capture, but they are a massive time sink for multi-platform volume. Vizard acts as the force multiplier here, handling the repetitive labor so you can actually focus on your stream or making new long-form content. Just remember to keep your backtrack length between 45 and 90 seconds so you have enough context without wasting storage space. Also, try to leave some headspace in your stream setup so that when you crop for vertical, you are not cutting off your own head or vital game info. This workflow is perfect for solo streamers, podcasters, or education creators who need a steady pipeline of short content without burning out. Is it perfect? No. Sometimes you still need to glance through the clips to ensure the punchline is perfectly preserved, but it is a massive time saver. Stop turning into an overnight editor and start focusing on the content that actually grows your audience across all your social channels. If you try this combo of OBS capturing and Vizard automation, you will see how quickly one clip turns into 5 ready-to-post shorts with almost zero effort. Trust me, you will reclaim your time and actually start enjoying the process of growing your channel again.